And let's get right to that top story. As the Title IX lawsuit against Baylor University continues, former head football coach Art Briles took to the stand with emotional testimony today, explaining his knowledge of what took place during his time on campus.
A former student, Dolores Lozano, is accusing former Baylor running back Devin Chafin of domestic abuse. Lozano was a part of a lawsuit filed back in 2016 involving 15 other women, accusing the university of neglecting them after they were sexually assaulted by football players and other students. A 6 News reporter Adriana Alexander is live now outside the federal courthouse with more on Coach Briles' lengthy testimony. Adriana?
Chris Lindsay, Briles told the jury he was not at all aware of Title IX when he began his head coaching position at Baylor back in 2007. He went on to say at the time of the alleged domestic abuse involving Chafin and Lozano in spring 2014, he had no training on how to handle Title IX reports. Text messages between Briles and other Baylor staff were shown to the jury. These texts showed conversations about a handful of football players violating Baylor's code of conduct policy. In this domestic abuse case, Briles admitted most of his coaching staff and some school officials knew about the alleged incident before he did, and said he was not a part of any sort of cover-up and never discouraged victims to come forward. Briles began getting very emotional when speaking about his current unemployment and how he believes Baylor, quote, defamed him. Tonight at 6, I'll share details of former athletic director Ian McCow's testimony and his involvement in the investigation. For now, in Waco, Adriana Alexander, 6 News.
Big testimony today in that Waco courtroom. Thank you so much, Adriana.